So you have your piece, it's right side up. That means the point is facing up. The flat part, the part that's parallel to the edge of the paper, is facing down. What we're going to do is we are going to do our next layer. It's going to be this one right here. That we are going to take our existing watercolor that we have. If you already cleaned up your case because you were done for the day, please mix it again. Try to get the same color that you did before. If it's a little off, we should survive. So don't worry about that. So I'm going to mix my pigment around because it's been hanging out for a long time. And now I'm ready to go. I'm going to do this area here. What you might notice is the color is showing up darker. That's what watercolor does, is it builds up every time you put a layer on. So if you notice, our new second layer is darker than the first one. And that's exactly what we do with watercolor. We slowly build up to get the dark colors that we want. So now we're going to wait for this to dry. You can do the same process of moving it around to see if it's pooling, which mine is definitely pooling. You can see in the dark areas here that I'm about to adjust. And if you're impatient, you can use a hairdryer or you can just wait.